Hey, is this thing on? Hey! Coming to you live from Seattle, Washington, in the KingComfort Live Studios, where we feed your brain and push your patience. So let's introduce you to the kings of the Picklewatt Palace and your masters of performance selling. Here they come. It's Ron Motto and Brad Wilson.
All right, welcome back to KingComfort Live, everybody. It feels good to be back, right, Brad?
Absolutely. I'm really happy to be back. Everything's rocking and rolling.
That's right. So today we're going to talk about our new line of SmartWave carbon fiber radiant heaters. And they feature a powerful built-in electronic controller and a simple handheld remote.
Yeah, that's right. SmartWave is the culmination over 2 years of rigorous product research and development and the all-important electricians and consumer testing.
That's right. So when we decided to develop this line of radiant heaters, our mission was to take what we learned through conversations with our customers and package all of the best features into one product. Yeah. And what you see behind us, that's the end result. These are high-performing radiant heaters. They're ideal for both residential and commercial applications. And you will see in a video later that they're really easy to install.
Yeah. Yes, the attention to detail is unmatched. We worked really hard to address all the pain points customers have traditionally had with radiant heaters found on the market today. So let's watch an overview so you get a better idea on what our team has accomplished and just how unique SmartWave is. We believe King's innovative culture will not only increase sales, but more importantly, increase customer loyalty.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Manufacturing with more information on King's latest innovation, the SmartWave carbon fiber heater. SmartWave heats objects, not the air. SmartWave emits clean, safe infrared heating that warms people and objects, and it feels like the sun on a warm summer day. And since radiant heaters don't heat the air, they are the perfect heat source for use outdoors. And they work great in these large open area locations. SmartWave heaters are built from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel parts for maximum corrosion resistance. And they are IP55 water resistant rated. With an integrated electronic controller, it is easy to select between 2 different heat levels and a timer for automatic shutoff. And with the simple handheld remote control, comfort is always in the palm of your hand. In addition, SmartWave's next generation spiral carbon fiber heating elements are rated for an astounding 10,000 hours, producing a soft, warm glow with more heat than traditional halogen or quartz heaters. Since no greenhouse gases are produced, no ventilation is required, and because SmartWave is completely silent, they are ideal for use indoors. And with virtually no maintenance required, you can look forward to years of trouble-free operation. SmartWave carbon fiber heaters are available in these 3 different sizes. We offer the 1500 watt model that measures 24 inches long and is available in a simple 120 volt plug-in model, or a 208 240 volt hardwired model. It can heat up to a 5x5 space, so it's ideal for small spaces. Also available is our 3000 watt 208 240 volt hardwired model that measures up to 43 inches long and can heat up to an 8x8 space. And our highest output model, the 4500 watt 61 inches long, and it expands the heat range coverage to 10 by 10. Simply mix and match the different sizes to achieve your ideal coverage zone. Now, isn't that smart? Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now get outside and make some great warm memories.
All right, great video, Brad.
Fantastic.
I think it's pretty clear that SmartWave is an innovative line of radiant heaters with several advantages over traditional radiant heaters, but there's a lot more to talk about. Brad, you mentioned Carbon IQ heating technology in the video. What exactly is that?
I did. Well, Ron, come on. You should know. You came up with the name.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, Carbon IQ is an innovative new element technology that uses the unique advantage of carbon fiber. It's what really sets us apart from the competition. So let's watch this next video and learn about SmartWave and the Carbon IQ.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electric, here today to discuss Carbon IQ heating technology. But what exactly is Carbon IQ? With the introduction of the SmartWave carbon fiber heaters, King developed a unique heating element called Carbon IQ, made with a durable carbon fiber filament that won't leave you outside in the cold. Carbon IQ will last up to an astounding 10,000 hours, producing a soft, warm glow that produces more directional heat than traditional quartz heaters. The logic is simple. Our carbon fiber elements are formed into a lightweight spiral coil which absorbs the effects of thermal expansion and vibration. In short, they just last a lot longer. Since there is little mass in carbon fiber, Carbon IQ heating elements provide instant heat right where you need it. And due to the excellent electrical and thermal properties of carbon fiber, the transfer rate from electricity to heat can reach up to 98%, which means almost no heat loss, saving you valuable energy. Carbon IQ means more heat with less visible light. Utilizing the medium wave of the light spectrum, Carbon IQ produces a softer radiant heat which has a similar effect as the sun. Now, isn't that smart? Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, get outside and create some warm memories.
Okay, let's review some of the key features and compare SmartWave to some of the competition. What has been your experience with the light output on the SmartWave, Ron?
Right. So, this was a topic of much discussion. Over the years, we sold plenty of radiant heaters from other manufacturers, and there's been a lot of options in terms of shortwave versus medium wave, lamp color and brightness. And we found that low light output was the primary concern of most customers. Whether it's a restaurant setting or a backyard barbecue, a soft, warm glow was always preferred. And when we began testing carbon fiber style elements, we found that there was really a balance between the low light output and the medium wave spectrum, plus the excellent electrical and thermal conductive properties of carbon fiber translated into exactly what we were looking for, which was high heat with less visible light.
And you just can't say no to that IQ glow.
Oh
yeah. Okay, Ron, now let's talk to them about the onboard electronic controls.
Right. This is another feature that really sets us apart from the competition. We did a comparison, and our SmartWave carbon fiber heaters include the controls built in, as you can see. So our base price includes those controls, whereas our competitors, most of them offer the controls as an accessory add-on. So if you consider that on average a customer will pay an additional $200 plus on a controls package when they buy from the other guys, hands down, SmartWave wins every time. Brad, with that said, I understand that the 4,500 watt model, the 3-lamp model, has some different features. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah. Yes, Ron, you're right. The 3-lamp or the 4,500 watt heater offers 3 custom tailored heat levels. The on-off rocker switch on the side turns the product on and the center 1,500 watt heating element. Then the handheld remote takes over from there. When the L1 is displayed, that heat setting is 3,000 watts total. And then the L2 setting is 4,500 watts output. So it's like 3 heaters in one. It's really that easy. However, if your 4,500 watt heater is mounted up high out of reach, it is recommended to install a simple 30 amp single pole wall switch to cut the power from the heater as needed. These switches are commonly available online and at hardware stores for around $15.
Good to know. Thanks, Brad. Okay, what do we need to know about the lamp life on the SmartWave?
Yes. And as I said in the video, SmartWave is rated for an amazing 10,000 hours. So go ask the other guys what their element's rated for. They're nowhere near that. All quartz tubes last a maximum of 2,500 hours, and that's being pretty generous. With SmartWave, it really comes down to the lamp design and materials. Our carbon fiber elements are formed to a lightweight spiral coil which absorbs the effects of thermal expansion and vibration, and that's why, they just last longer.
Absolutely. Okay, so now let's talk about the installation. This is a big one. Okay, I've heard many customers complain that this is another major pain point and that most radiant heaters on the market, they're really cumbersome to install, and many times they require more than one person to install it. So just how easy are these things to install?
It's simple. I really think we have the competition beat on this. Matter of fact, I know we have the competition beat. We've designed SmartWave so that one person can install it without any help at all. Just look at our innovative mounting bracket system. If you've ever tried installing the competitors, good luck. You're on your own to build some sort of creative thing to make it mount somehow.
It's frustrating, I know. Okay, so let's watch this video, and it's going to show you exactly how easy it is.
That's correct.
Great.
And here we have the new King radiant heater called SmartWave with Carbon IQ heating technology. As you see, I have two already installed behind me, and we'll show you how easy it is to install. Okay, it's a beautiful product and it's very well packed, so it'll get to you without a problem. And this is what the heater looks like out of the package. What's wonderful is that they do have a remote control, and the remote control has a timer, temperature up and down, and on and off switch. What's great about the mounting is that you've got these great mounting brackets that are stainless steel, and they quickly connect like this. Quick and easy, and we're going to show how that installs. All the mounting hardware is here to install the heater. We have the brackets that are fully adjustable, along with a ring that you can actually hang it with chain if you prefer. You don't really need to measure when you're installing the brackets on the heater because they're fully adjustable. Once you've installed the brackets, it's really easy just to raise it up and drop it in slotted holes that allow you just like that. And then with the supplied tools, with your wrench and your Allen wrench, just a matter of tightening up. The other nice thing is the adjustability. Each notch is approximately 12 degrees that you can adjust in either direction. So the great thing about the SmartWave, it's so smart that all you need to do is provide a power from your circuit breaker panel to the heater itself. And that way you're done. You don't have to provide contactors and control circuits. Everything is smart in this junction box. Bring the power to here, and all you need is the remote control to control the power on and off. There's ample room in the junction box to be able to bring number 10 wire in there, but if required, you could use a remote box. There's also a disconnect switch on the side to permanently turn the heater off. The other nice feature is that the ring terminal here can also accept chain as a safety chain or permanently mounted with chain if you require. That's it. It's simple and easy to install the SmartWave radiant heater.
Okay, Ron, can you tell them about all of the great marketing support that is literally at their fingertips or their click?
Absolutely, I can. So I'm going to take you to the website. You're going to want to go to king-electric.com, and let me pull up on my screen and I'll walk you through it. Okay, when you get to the website, to find SmartWave Radiance, it's actually under two different sections of the website. They're both under the residential electric heat section and commercial electric heat section. So you'd go to Radiant Heaters, and you'll see that we have all four products that we offer in the four different sizes as separate product pages. a single lamp, double lamp, and 3-lamp model. Both are available in 208 volt and 240 volt. And then we also have this 120 volt plug-in model. So we're going to click on one of these products, and this is what a typical product page looks like. A lot of information here, all the pictures, specifications, and that type of thing. We also, to point out, we have the videos, some of which we've watched today are available here. So you can click on those and review those. And then we also have this new feature we've added to the website, which are 360 product spins. So that's pretty interesting. So you can go and really look at the product at all different angles, which is pretty neat. And we'll be adding those to more of the website as we go. What I really wanted to call out here is under the download sections, and that includes the catalog page, which is really our main specification guide. That includes model number charts for all the available models and sizes, plus the replacement accessories. We do offer everything from the hardware kit to replacement remote controls, or if somebody happens to damage their grill, they can order another grill here. And then the replacement lamps are available, but as we said, they're rated for 10,000 hours, so you won't have to replace those often, but they are in stock available for you. The next page covers what exactly is Carbon IQ. So this is just a nice document overview of some of the features we discussed in the earlier videos, the highlights of Carbon IQ heating technology. Next is a heating coverage area chart, and this is a great visual representation of just exactly how much heated space each size will cover. So for example, this 1500 watt model, when mounted 8 to 9 feet tall, it's going to cover 5 by 5 square foot area. The 3000 watt model covers an 8 by 8 square foot coverage space, and then a 4500 watt model is good for up to 10 by 10 square feet, and then mounted up to 11.6 inches is the recommended mounting height. We also include a dimensional data chart. This is great for architects and engineers if they want to know exactly how the heater is going to fit within a space. They have all those critical dimensions detailed out, and they'll know exactly how it is going to fit. The next important thing I'd like to call out are the clearances, and we have a nice chart here which is going to explain exactly how far the heater should be mounted from combustibles, and that's on the front, side, behind, top, and below the heater. So very important to know when you're talking about installing the heater. The other document that's available in terms of marketing materials is what we call an NPR, or a new product release. This offers much of the same information as our catalog page, but it's put together in a more visual way. This is a great one to hand out to a customer to give them a good understanding of the product line, and they also get some nice visuals. So a lot of the same information, like I said, the Carbon IQ heating technology page is there as well, heating coverages and things like that. So that's a great one to send out to customers. Last but not least is our installation manual. We did a good job of detailing out exactly how to install these products, and all of the clearances and combustibles and whatnot are included in here. So I would highly recommend going through this and familiarizing yourselves with a lot of those details. The other thing I wanted to mention is on the product page we have this section, what is Carbon IQ heating technology? Click here. So if you click on that, we've basically created its own separate page. So when people are Google searching out there, they'll be able to find this. And on this page, we have the video that we watched earlier, along with the major benefits of Carbon IQ, all summarized right here. And last but not least, we've saved this as a separate PDF, so you can send this to a customer very quickly if they're interested in trying to understand the differences between Carbon IQ and standard quartz tubes that are out there. And as we mentioned, the differences are many, and there's a lot of benefits here over what you're going to find out there with the other guys. All right, so that's basically all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you. And KingComfort Live's back, and have a great day.
We'll see you next time.